What's up YouTube, it's Alex Combow here from Snowbound Apothecary. Today I got something a little bit different for you guys. I actually have an audience with me today, so when you see me look that way, I'm going to be addressing my audience, and this video is actually mainly for them, but I wanted to put it up on YouTube for you guys as well. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is just simply help. I've got myself in a terrible financial situation. How do I get out? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we've all been there. We've all gotten to the point in our lives where we get to a situation financially where we just have got ourselves in the hole and there's no light getting us out in the future. So with that being said, what do we need to realize if we want to get out? The first thing that we need to realize to get out of this hole is money is good. Now, if we realize this, then we won't feel so bad when we're constantly checking our bank account. Because let's say you have a bank account that's negative $1,000 and you want to get it up to positive $1,000. But all you're focusing on is the fact that you're at negative $1,000 and you're constantly thinking to yourself, this is where I am. I have no way that I'm going to get out of the debt. Money's so stupid, I can't even get out of this situation. When in reality, what you need to be thinking is, okay, so I want to get to positive $1,000. Now, I see money as an asset to my future. If I want to get to positive $1,000, I need to see money as a positive thing. Because if I don't see it as a positive thing, then basically what's going to happen is every time you open up your bank account to look at this, let's say you look at it once a week, and then you look at it again once a week, you look at it again once a week, every time you do it, you're associating a negative feeling with your money. So if you're associating a negative feeling with your money, then looking at it once a week becomes looking at it once a month, because you don't want to look at it, because all you're thinking about when you're looking at it is negativity. You're not thinking of anything positive about it at all. So why do you want to put yourself in a situation where you feel negatively? Let's face it, we're humans, we're not masochists. We don't want to feel negatively when we do things. So if we're viewing money as negative, then all it's going to do is make us feel bad all of the time. Okay, so let's look at the flip side of that. And there goes my marker. So the flip side of that is we view money as awesome. Money is great. With limits, it helps us out. It does great things for us. It puts food on the table for us. It's a good system. Money helps us get what we need in life. It helps us get what we want in life. And with money, we're moving in the proper direction. Now, when you think of money that way, every time you open up your bank account and you see that you're at negative $1,000, you're not feeling bad for being at negative $1,000. In fact, what your mind is doing is it's thinking itself through the situation of, okay, well, I need to get to the positive point so I can have more positivity in my life. You're thinking, I want more positivity in my life, not less negativity. You're thinking, I want to be more positive about something, not I want to be less negative about something. So the first thing, the very first step is money is good. Okay? Now that we're there, let's get to the second step. The second step to getting out of the hole is number 2, reduce. If you're reducing all the money that you're spending a month, what you're doing is you're cutting out, maybe you're cutting out this $12 a month Netflix fee. Maybe you're cutting out part of your phone bill so that instead of spending $150 a month on your phone bill, you're only spending $100 a month on your phone bill. Then what you're doing is you are creating more of this positive item in your life. You're not thinking that because I don't have money, I'm never going to get out of this situation. What you're doing is you're creating more positive in your life. So what you do here is you make $50. What you do here is you make $12. You make this money. This money is now yours. You have created this money. It's not that you've increased your income, it's that you have created this money in your life. So once you do that, you have $62. You've created $62 worth of more positivity in your life. You have created this. Instead of having $62 of negative in your life, you have $62 of positive in your life. So that means that every single time you get your checks and you realize that, oh wow, I have $62 more this month that I can spend, $62 more this month that I can spend, that's like a 50-cent raise at my job. I am doing more in life because now I'm worth more money. Okay, so once you reduce your money, the next thing you need to do is establish your positive income. Now I could word this as reduce your debt, but I want to word this positively because I want you to be thinking positively about these situations. So when I say establish your positive income, what that means is you are getting yourself out of debt. So when you get yourself out of debt, you're creating more money in your life. So now your income, which is good, there's going to be more of it in your life. So if you have a $500 credit card bill in your life, which doesn't seem like a lot to some people, but to some people, $500, that's half of their income. So if you have a $500 credit card bill and you take this extra $62 a month that you have and you put it into your $500 credit bill, then you're slowly getting closer there. So say you put $50 into your credit bill a month and now you're putting 62 extra bucks on top of that. So now you're putting $112 onto your credit card bill every month, and you are opening all of these different avenues. You are releasing yourself from the negative impact that money has on your life. All right, so the final thing that I want to talk to you about in helping you get out of this situation is create alternate incomes. This is a separate video for another time. I will get there eventually, but when I say create alternate incomes, that means start up businesses, get a new job, get a raise at your job. Create alternate incomes means the world right now is the digital age when we can do whatever we want to do with just this one little tool. We can make all the money in the world we want with this. This is it. This is your credit card. This is more than your credit card. This is what you use to make money. So when you create alternate incomes with just your cell phone, what you're doing is you are adding more of this positivity into your life and you're feeling better about yourself. Money can't buy happiness, but when money is a positive thing, then you get happier because you start to realize that you are not stressed out about money anymore. Looking at your bank account every day, even if it is not in the best spot, doesn't stress you out because you see that as an opportunity to grow. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Please comment below. Please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.